Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepard Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, February 26, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that elephants can get sunburned just like humans do? Therefore, they have created their very own sunscreen by covering themselves with mud and sand, which explains why they appear to be dirty all the time. Interesting. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have yogurt, and for lunch, we'll have a corn dog. On Monday, I'm not sure breakfast yet, but for lunch, will be chicken nuggets. Today's birthdays are Ben Lee and Jameson Pugh, and this weekend, finishing up our February birthdays, will be Antoinette. Today's announcements. Math fluency kits are in Miss Spiegelberg's room. You will need to pick up your math fluency kit today after you have completed your training, which was also due today. In addition to that, make sure you have updated your PLP with at least one piece of evidence by today. Next week, we will have Read Across America / Dr. Seuss Week. We will be encouraging lots of great reading. Also, teachers, this is a new one. Don't forget to turn in your yearbook sheets to Miss Smith before Monday. Be sure that you write any missing students or misspelled names on the front page. This is very important, very important. So make sure your yearbook stuff gets turned in to Miss Smith before Monday. Today is also Spirit Day with Skyline Nutrition, so go by and get your parents to go by and get some goodies there this afternoon. This week we're finishing up our ACAP testing practice. Today also is the mid-quarter, so anybody needs to have any missing assignments completed. Today also our fluency kit training should be complete, and you should pick up your kit from Ms. Spiegelberg. Next week, we have iReady Progress Monitoring, and March 15th begins our ACAP Summative. We will be having some testing beginning next week, Monday, so we will start easing into having a testing environment in the school, so be aware of that. Our word of the day today is denominator. It is the number written below the line in a fraction. It tells how many equal parts are in the whole. So the denominator is the downstairs number. It's how many pieces are in the whole. So for the fraction 1/3, the denominator is 3. For a whole, it takes 3 pieces. Shout out to Miss Bauer's class for requesting books and reading and taking AR tests. Their class circulated so many books yesterday. They are a top class with 117 circulations. Way to go! They are going to be leading some AR very soon, I have a feeling. Our top student in the school with the most circulations is Rowan Doe in Miss Granger's class with 26. That is awesome. Keep up the good work. Keep reading, keep taking AR tests, and requesting books. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepard.